Hi, this is Diane Thomas. I'm with Dominion Real Estate, and I'd like to take you on a little adventure today and go through an open house that we've just listed this week. The property is 721 Ridgemont Circle, Highlands Ranch, 80126. It is, the crossroads are Wildcat Parkway and Pennington Circle. Okay, so let's get started. Obviously, this is the front of the house. Let's spin you around. Very nice neighborhood, very beautiful homes in the area. There's a little mountain view, which you'll also get from in the house. Actually, from this bedroom right there. So it's 3-car garage. It's 4,300 square feet. The basement is finished at 924 square feet. It's 5-bedroom, 5-bath. 2 of the bath are full, and they have 3 3/4 baths, which is a bathroom with a shower. A 3/4 bathroom is a bathroom with a shower, not a tub. So let's get started so we can tell you some more. We're going to go into the house now. We just came in through the front door. Ooh, there we go. Okay, so if we come right in the front door and we go through here, this is a office slash, could be a workout room. It is non-conforming because it doesn't have a closet, but that doesn't mean you couldn't add one. It is kind of small for that, but I would say even a day bed in here would work for a guest room, especially for the elderly, would be perfect, because then you could go through here and you have a, oops, spin you around here, a 3/4 bath with a shower. Here we go, whoops. And so that's really a nice feature to have, especially for an elderly guest. You can even put a stool in here and so forth. So, okay, so that's nice to have that adjacent. And then we'll come out here and go into, on the main floor. Here is the formal living room. Does that look familiar? Because it's right behind my head. Isn't that nice? So that is the formal living room. I really like this area because it's just very inviting to have maybe a small group of people in to have a book club, or, you know, some kind of gathering, just to come in and read a book with the fireplace right there. I just really think this is a neat little area. I like that. Beautiful hardwood floors. We're going to go now into the big family room, where you can gather many people. As you can see, all hardwood floors, gas fireplace, plantation shutters, really beautiful, long, spacious room. Here, you could put a TV here. It has a little accent wall, and then underneath is your audio cabinet. If we come back this way and turn around, you can see, get a better perspective, actually, how big this room is, right? It's really a nice size. And then we can go into the kitchen. You have a breakfast nook area right there. You have beautiful cabinetry in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, a gas cooktop, microwave, Keurig cabinet, double oven, large top to bottom pantry. And then if we spin around again, she also has the undermount lighting under the cabinets, undermount sink. See, very beautiful granite countertop, nice large island. Really a great area. Then if we go out to the outside, then you have your outdoor entertaining. And this is beautiful. This is a large patio, very large patio. Great space for entertaining. Look at this. Isn't that great? Let's see, let's go out. There's some gardens right here as well. There's the neighbor, one neighbor. Just really clean landscaping. Nothing too elaborate to take care of, just really very nicely done. And if you were there the day I did this tour, this gentleman back here, the neighbor in the back, he was smoking meat. So I wish you had the smelling feature that they haven't, designed yet, because that was pretty nice. And beautiful gardens back here as well. You might want to you might want to be friends with him, because I think he's doing a great job. Okay, so nice big backyard. And we can go back into the kitchen. Here is the breakfast nook again. Let's go into the dining area, which this is a little area that I like. Let me spin around here for a second. This is like a butler's pantry, if you will. Let's pull this down. Wine rack, which is really nice and convenient next to your dining room. Space for your wine glasses. Look at this. Oh, try not to move too quickly, because I know. There you go. Here's, more cabinetry space for linens or your favorite dinnerware, special occasion dinnerware. And then if we move right into the dining room, it's really spacious and very light and bright. Beautiful. I like this area a lot. Shows off the floors too. So then if we moved into this spot, this is the walk-in, very large size laundry room. The washer and dryer are not included. Nice large, but there's obviously hookup there. Nice large sink, lots of cabinetry, really good place for that. And here is the coat closet. And then through this door, gentlemen, is the 3-car garage. So now we can move into, let's go down to the lower level. And here we go. Hold on, we're going down the stairs. I have so much fun with these tours. So this is the basement, which is finished with a gas fireplace. We also have a bedroom. The 5th bedroom is down here, and we have a 3/4 bath as well through here, so nice big shower. Then back in here we have the kind of like the bar area with a little Tuscan feel going on back here with a mural on the wall and the wine cellar there. And then we have there's some nice space in there too. I don't know if I can get turned around in here, I'll try. There we go, but lots of space to add, lots of wine racks. And then let's pull down to kind of show you. Here's the dishwasher, sink. So nice little space for entertaining. Yep, here we go. And then I'll take you to the other side of this. On the other side of the stairs, we have lots of storage behind these. The utility closet, but then lots of storage in that room. And then if you walk through here, you can see, I'm going to turn you around. Look how creative they got here. This is a mural that they painted on the wall for their little girl. So it's a castle motif with a playroom, which I just think is so precious. I think this is so much fun. And then they have a desk area here, but a play area with all her little friends. I just love that. That's so creative. So there you go. So that's the little Princess Palace. And then let's go up to the third floor with all the bedrooms, because we've already done the main floor. So if you look and you come up the stairs, right, over here is a really nice little loft area, but they've made it into kind of an office. And here's a nice little porthole to let in some light, lots of cabinetry, really a nice space. And they did it very nicely because they have the cabinetry and granite countertop, really nice professional desk area. Here we have the front bedroom to the front of the house, a little bit of a mountain view, hardwoods, and then all the bedrooms kind of have this nook over here that you can put a desk in, and you'll see in the other bedrooms how they've done that. So nice spacious room, good sized closet, and then from there, let's get that straightened out. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have a very nice long sink countertop with 2 sinks. And then here you have the full bathtub and shower, toilet area, which makes that the other full bathroom. Really nice. And then we go into the little girl. I'm sure this is the little girl that has that castle downstairs in the basement, I would think. All the colors are working here. And so, yes, this is also a very nice sized room. There's the closet. There you go. So let's go out now and head, let's work this way. Let's go head into the master bedroom. The master bedroom, this is a huge bedroom, and it has a sitting area. Let's go over this way. I want you to be able to see this bedroom. King size bed. Let's come over here and look. I'm going to turn around and let you look this way so you can just see how massive this bedroom is. So you have the master bedroom, then you have your sitting area with a gas fireplace, and then you go into the 5-piece master suite. I'm telling you, I think if you put a little refrigerator here in the corner somewhere and had some refreshments, there's no reason to leave other than food, right? But here you go. So the master bath, again, very huge. You have 2 countertops, right? And then here's the walk-in closet. Let's pull this down so you can see. Sorry, sellers, I know. Showing your closet. I'm glad you're so organized. And then let's go out here and look from this point of view. Okay, that's a little distorted in the tour, but it is a good sized tub and shower, toilet area. And again, look at this. This is like crazy big master bedroom, master suite. And then we have another bedroom which has the area for the desk. Again, let's spin you around. Closet, nice size closet. And then, once again, you come out. Right here is another 3/4 bath. Oops, let's see if we can get this around. So it makes it really nice. All the bedrooms have 3/4 baths, except the Jack and Jill has the full bathroom. So your master bath is full. You have the Jack and Jill full bathrooms, and then you have a 3/4 on the 2 end bedrooms and 1 on the main and 1 downstairs in the basement. So this really is, let's go back to the main floor. We've gone through all the bedrooms. Just want to show you what a beautiful property. Very well laid out, great for entertaining, and just overall, just such a great property. So this property is listed for $739,900, 7399. And like I said, it is 4,300 square feet finished, 924 downstairs. It has 5-bedroom, 5-bath. 3 of those 5 baths, right, are 3/4. And it's pretty much on a 1/4-acre lot. You saw the yard out front, but there's just a big yard in the back, which makes that really nice. It has, because it's in the Highlands Ranch area, it has $155 monthly fee for HOAs to cover all the rec centers. And then they also have a $272 quarterly fee. So they have 2 HOA fees. It's in the Stonebury neighborhood. Again, it's off that Wildcat area, backside of Highlands Ranch. And then it's Wildcat and Pennington. Just a beautiful home. It has new interior paint, new basement carpet, and the roof was replaced in 2016. So it really is a beautiful property. It's priced really well. I'd like to offer or invite you to do either a virtual showing, which I can do with you on your phone, and I can walk you through it, or we can do a private showing, and we just need to follow the COVID rules with masks and masks and booties and so forth, and that's easy to do too. So we can always book that showing. But again, I'd like to ask you to reach out. My name is Diane Thomas. I'm with Dominion Real Estate. My mobile number is 303-641-9846, and I will include that in the description. But I'd love to invite you to a showing. It's a beautiful home. So thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.